For those who think Battlefield isn't compromised, my prototype of the proof. Modem, Cat5 cable. The weapon of choice. Cut the Cat5 cable at the DNS connection. Some people use a switch. Some people use a switch. Cat5 cable to a modem. And the yellow cord, of course, to we know what. Now the test. It has a positive connection. We'll be able to hook up. You can see all things contained. All succeed. Leg switch on. Leg switch off. Leg switch on. Leg switch off. That's leg switch on. And here's why we always get kicked off all our games. Because somebody uses one of these and they freeze it too long, trying to play the game and cheat. Lag switch, corrupting Battlefield. And here's why we always get booted off of games. Because you leg switch out and it boots you.